And the first minus double digit of the season. Minus 10.1 as of 3 a.m. Yeah. See how much colder we can get. Probably might get down to minus 11, but minus 12? I don't know. It was only supposed to get down to minus 6 tonight. We're already at minus 10. So my guess is that either today's going to be warmer, cooler, in terms of a high, or it's just going to be this. But would be very surprised if it gets above freezing tomorrow with a minus 10 degree low, but doesn't really say much. Anyways though, I'll see you guys in the morning. Completely forgot about this. This was the forecast from yesterday at 4 o'clock. 6% chance of... skipped tonight. But yeah, today, 6% chance of flurries in the afternoon, and then Friday night we got flurries. And then Saturday, flurries of rain showers now instead of rain showers. They've been flipping back and forth with how Saturday's going to play out. And then windy conditions still for Saturday. I looked at Saturday, it looks fairly convective, so maybe we'll get something nice out of it. I worked 9 to 5:30 that day though, so fucking kill me. So whatever happens that day, I'll miss. Or, well, not miss, but be stuck at work for. But now, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty, here's the forecast update for today. This is all it's going to be shown, Vitamin Canada only. The weather looks pretty dull. It's good for the next 4 days, but otherwise, it's just cold and not much snow. Yeah. So today, 6% chance of flurries beginning this afternoon. And then tonight, 6% chance of flurries changing to a 40% chance of showers or wet flurries after midnight. With winds southwest turning gusting to 40, with temperatures rising to +1 by morning. I'm just starting to think that if we do get those southwesterly winds, it's going to be more than just one. And then tomorrow, a few rain showers and wet flurries ending late in the afternoon, then mainly cloudy, winds southwest 30 gusting to 50. Again, same deal. Got a feeling it'll be a lot warmer if that breeze evolves. It'll probably be like, instead of 2, probably like 5. Which, I guess, is a step up from like maybe it being 5 and then those winds, so it'll be like 8 or something. And then Saturday night, we got a 6% chance of flurries. Sunday, 30% chance of flurries. Sunday night, 40% chance of flurries. All day Monday, a 6% chance of flurries. And then there's another day after that, and then, another period after that, and then another period after that. There's only a couple days on here where it's no snow possible. Which I guess is nice. Just, yeah. Anyways, though, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Well, forecast update has brought us a special weather statement here. We got ourselves some strong winds possible. Otherwise, 11 o'clock update, 6% chance of flurries today, 6% chance of flurries, change to 40% chance of flurries, rain showers or wet flurries after midnight. Yeah, pretty much everything else is the same, I believe. I think this says later now. I think it's from the afternoon to now late in the afternoon. I think. And yeah. So this is the winds we're expecting here. Apparently, up to anyways, at least, sorry. So we got potential for very strong wind gusts tonight and tomorrow morning with gusts up to 80 kilometers an hour. Yeah. Well, I don't expect 80, but 70k is very, very probable. But yeah. And then, actually, I forgot the radar here. I didn't even check. Oh yeah. You got little bits of flurries developing. Well, not developing. Moving in right now. It's very light. It's not going to accumulate by any means necessary, but yeah. On that note, though, I'll see you guys later on today. Yeah. There it is. As I said, some very light flurries coming down. It's accumulating. Looks like. Such tiny ass flakes, though. They already mostly passed through, so it's currently about 0. It's about as high as it's gotten today, thanks to the flurries moving in Detroit, producing cloud cover more than anything. But yeah, I hope these chances of flurries over the next several days change to more snow potential than just flurries. It's like 2, 4, 6, 8 centimeters of snow. This ain't gonna hold. This is looking quite dull as we speak, so hopefully that transpires. Otherwise, yeah. See you guys later on today, though. Pretty effing boring. I had one job. I managed to miss it. I managed to pussy up and not even actually kick the thing. I wasn't gonna stamp on it one way or another. Fucking new shoes. I got these fucking like a few months ago. My own fucking money, so the hell was that? Well, I could have kicked it, but meanwhile, probably I doubt it would have dealt much of a blow. I could have at least done that. On another note, we still had about just under 10 centimeters of accumulation, or snowpack. It's currently about 0, 1 degree in between there. Yeah. It's about 3 degrees at the airport, though, and a lot stronger of a wind. Yeah. Fuck. I'll give you guys a forecast update from, well, it's probably going to be yesterday when I get to it. Yeah, then. Yeah, it's just gonna be gusty for the next little while. Probably be the worst tomorrow morning. It's fucking cold. Alright, here's the forecast update from yesterday. As I said, it was going to be done pretty late, and here we are at 1 o'clock. 6% chance of flurries, changed to a 40% chance of showers or wet flurries after midnight. Rising to +1 by morning temperature, and then tomorrow, or today, sorry, rain showers or wet flurries, 3 degrees. And then Saturday night, 6% chance of rain showers or wet flurries early in the evening, then changes to a 60% chance of flurries before morning, with the gusty winds becoming light in the evening. And then 6% chance of flurries Sunday, 40% chance of flurries Sunday night, and then chances of flurries continue for most of the next week. Well, what's visible of next week. What's shown of next week, sorry. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing that, sorry. And then we got a couple things here. Yeah, I definitely haven't shown the new update, the 4 o'clock one. We'll just go with it anyways. And then, actually what I want to really show is this. These are all the warnings and everything in place right now. So what we got here is a combo of special weather statements for the wind. We got wind warnings as well for let me reload this. This is actually not up to date. There we go. Now that's reasonable. So we got like snowfall warnings for highways. We got rainfall warnings here. Special weather statements for rainfall and winds for the interior. We got snow squall watches. Fucking all we got is a special weather statement for some dinky winds that aren't even happening. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Or more so in like the next 5 hours. Alright, here's the forecast update for the morning here. 40% chance of showers today. Snow level rising to 800 meters this afternoon. Wind southwest 30 gusts and 50. Remove the special weather statement. 40% chance of showers this evening. Jesus. Snow level 800 meters. And then Sunday, a few flurries ending early in the afternoon. Sunday night, a 40% chance of flurries. Monday, all day, 6% chance of flurries. And then Tuesday, a 30% chance of flurries. 5 degrees there right now. It's only 2.6 here. Whatever that means. And the weather finally has the app fixed and working. See, here's how this looks. Close to 5 centimeters for Monday there. I've been consistent with that. And then 1 to 3 on December 17th. Not much else there. But scroll down and it's a lot nicer. As I was saying. Not much snow. Just traces of snow to close to a centimeter. 1 to 3 for December 24th. But it stays cold and on the snowy side. For the foreseeable future after these next couple days. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today. I don't know how well the camera picks it up. There's some chunky ass rain falling right now. Like, it doesn't feel, by my hands, it doesn't feel like it is, but it's close. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Oof. Oh, look at that. Bursts. Today everything will have wind. never windy aloft, so everything is just mixing down, and there's even a little bit of instability. Nothing's capped. It's just enough. There's enough mixing to allow it to come down to the surface. Sleet. I mean wind. I mean any storm. Come on. I wonder if it was accumulating, but it's not. Ooh, this is fucking cold ass rain. Although it's so close to sleep, and it's 6 degrees. Oh shit. You physically cannot get any closer to wintry precept than this. It's the random gusts that produce most of it. Well, it looks like we're moving out of it. The only good thing about this is it's cloudy. Well, the only good thing about this is the fact that now there'll be like a sheet of ice on the snow. What's left of it. We got a bunch of snow coming later this week anyways. Like all the way up until Christmas, we probably got like 75% to 80% of the days of snow potential also. But although will it accumulate enough to is the question. But yeah, I'll leave it at that. I'll show you guys a radar later. I'm wet now. Sunny boy. But yeah, like I said, some sleet that mixed in 100%. God, otherwise it was just very, very chunky rain. Ooh, it's pretty windy aloft. Birds are struggling. As I said, squally day, and that's what's happening. Although most of it's actually now passed through. Actually dissipating now. Really was this morning, and then now it's kind of just been dwindling down this afternoon. I bet if I would have just climbed to maybe an extra 500 meters, there'd be snow. 100%. Well, that just goes to show how close these snow levels still are. Because of diabetic cooling and all that. I'll see you guys later on today. Might be able to get off work early. Nothing's happened. Nothing's coming in or anything, so. Do store stock, so yeah. Raining again. Ground's very. Holy shit. Like I'm walking on ice. A line of something moved through. I missed it, but I mean, to be honest with you, I'd watch it from the window, not knowing what it was. It wasn't really much, from what I can tell. Like I thought, it didn't even really accumulate much of anything. And what I'm feeling on the ground is probably a mixture of the snow that fell and then the ice that froze. So it is currently 1 degree now. That's a slushy mess now. So, because it was a pretty thick layer of ice, because it rained quite a bit. I'll show you guys it with the forecast update later, the radar. But I'm just praying we can somehow snatch ourselves a fair bit of snow before Christmas. It looks probable, but I can't solely trust it will. Yeah. There was no breeze associated with it, I can confirm that. It was basically what came in earlier today, but heavier. Slightly heavy, well, at work, but slightly heavier. So, a little bit more snow mixed in. Like there was actually snow mixing in. I wouldn't be surprised if that was the case here. But I'm not going to count it because I wasn't home, so. And plus it's at 6 degrees and rain at the airport, so. Yeah. Well, it's just the start. We'll continue to drop in temperature through the night one way or another, actually. So. Yeah. We got a 70% chance of flurries tomorrow and more convective action. So, we'll see. Alrighty, here's the forecast update from yesterday. Passed out from like 8 o'clock. And when I was going to show you guys the radar probably of that squall we got that I missed until like 12:30. So I kind of missed that. The weather network's forecast decided just to get a check-in since it's like 2 o'clock. And it's actually pretty good. I'll probably show you guys that in the morning. That's probably the morning update. But yeah, 70% chance of flurries before morning. Snow level lowering to valley bottom before morning. And then tomorrow, 70% on Sunday, 70% chance of flurries early in the morning. Then a little break there. And then all day Monday, 6% chance of flurries. Tuesday, 30% chance. And then Wednesday, a 30% chance as well. And we stay below freezing. That's the key thing, or yeah, that's the key thing here. We stay below freezing. Fuck. That's below freezing. I'll see you guys in the morning. Whoa, Jesus fuck. It's 2 o'clock. I decided just to pop out here. It's -5. We got all that crap. Oh my god. It is a fucking skating rink. The snow. It's fucking solid. Right, that's actually what I was hoping for with the rain. Is now that we stay below freezing, the snow will freeze. And then it adds a very solid layer. Just like that one time when I was at work. Rain and then it all freezes. Oh my word, look at this. Holy fucking shit. It is a fucking skating rink. Oh, there's so much to ground here. I think snow accumulated on it. Oh my god. It's a fucking... I won't be out till like 9, so I'm making the most of it here. Oh my god. A fucking skating rink. Although the roads are actually pretty good. It's the sidewalks and all that where it's been like stepped on continuously, so it's been able to melt. That's the worst. Jesus. Look at that. Again, the roads are fine, but it's like everywhere else is just a skating rink. Point. Alright, I gotta get in and take a shower. Yes, at 2 o'clock. I gotta be careful because there's something here. There probably will be more snow coming in later tonight. Well, I say more because there was sleet. There was a snow-rain mixture yesterday, so yeah. I'll see you guys then in the morning. Alrighty, here's your forecast update for today. Yeah, so nothing happened last night, so thankfully didn't miss anything. As I woke up at 1. So anyways though, 40% chance of flurries beginning before morning here. And then tomorrow, 2 centimeters of snow, periods of snow, with a high of +1. And then Monday night, a 40% chance of flurries. Tuesday, 40% chance of flurries there as well. Tuesday night break. And all day Wednesday, 30% chance of flurries. Hold it here for a little while. A little while longer. Scroll down. So then Thursday's a 30% chance of flurries, break Thursday night, and then all day, Friday through till Saturday, 60% chance of flurries there. Yeah. It's just looking straight up snowy for the next week plus. Potential, it's looking like it'll be right up until Christmas it'll be snowing. Well, at least chances of snow. Not snowy necessarily, but chances of snow. Yeah. And that'll be very helpful. Because Christ, all we need is 2 centimeters on the ground for a white Christmas. 2.5, for a white Christmas. If we get like, half a centimeter of snow every day, we can get a fucking white Christmas. That's what I'm getting at. It's like all this snow is going to be very helpful one way or another. Whether if it's a big major one or nothing. But usually our big snowfalls get reserved for January, late December. Kind of like just before or just after Christmas. You never usually get anything big this early on. Last year was an exception. But yeah, so close to 5 centimeters from the weather network for December 13th. And then it gives a pretty decent little break there from December 14th to December 15th, 16th. But pretty cold temperatures, -12 is low. And then we get another close to 5 centimeters there, December 17th. 1 to 3 on December 18th. And then kind of just maybe a centimeter on December 19th. Hold it here for a little while longer. Scroll down. Yeah. And then we got one that's, it stays pretty fucking cold. And chances of snow. We got close to 1 December 20th. 1 to 3 December 22nd. It'll break 23rd. Christmas Eve. We got maybe some flurry potential. And then Christmas. 1 to 3 centimeters of snow. And then December 26th. 2 to 4 centimeters of snow. White Christmas. Looking very likely. Perfect Christmas. Looking probable. Not likely. probable. So I mean, even the coast is looking at potentially a perfect Christmas at this rate. The scenes this year could be quite something in terms of how many can actually end up seeing a white Christmas, let alone a perfect. But yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today, probably with a 4 o'clock update. If not, though, probably be the next update in the morning. Yeah. Alrighty, here's the forecast update from yesterday at 4 o'clock. So, 40% chance of flurries before morning, and then Monday, we got periods of snow all day, 2 to 4 centimeters for Monday and Monday night, which tallies up to about 5 to 10 centimeters possible tomorrow. And then Tuesday, also periods of snow, although that'll probably just be in the morning and maybe another 2 centimeters. But by the end of it all, we might end up with about, I want to say 7 to 12 centimeters of snow. Odd number, yes, but yeah. And then Wednesday through till Thursday, 30% chance of flurries still. A little worrisome because we're currently at about 30 degrees right now. I am getting a new weather station because the one right now says -1 when it's about 2-3 degrees here right now. It's like it's in the 2-point range for sure. But yeah. Either way, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh yeah, I should also say heavier snow will probably be Monday night from what I can tell anyways. So, I got a very interesting I got a very interesting, I guess you could say, twist to the forecast. So, we're going to start it off normally here. So, there was a special weather statement. That's the twist here. They ended it for something that's going to happen tonight. I'll show you guys what in a bit. Anyways, though, we got periods of snow beginning this afternoon. And then tonight, periods of snow with 2 centimeters. Tomorrow, periods of snow ending late in the afternoon, then another 2 centimeters there. Yeah. Scroll down. Pretty decent forecast there. We can skip Sunday. Yes, there's nothing there. So we got periods of snow Wednesday and snow Wednesday night. I do not work Wednesday. And then 6% chance of flurries Thursday. And then break Thursday night through to Friday, although it stays pretty cold. And then all day Friday it stays -6. And then Friday night, 6% chance of flurries all the way through till Saturday night. And it stays cold. Now here's the twist I was going to show you guys. And here we go. This is the twist here. So this is what was in place this morning, and then they just ended it a little while ago. Intense bands of snow may develop tonight. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, 5 to 10 centimeters. That's bullshit. Because as soon as I was talking about it, they ended it. That's bullshit. No. I can tell you right now, that is total BS, this forecast. Because they only ended it for the South and Central Okanagan. So what that means is there's a special weather statement all around us. Except for us. And the South Okanagan. That's bullshit. That's totally... This has nothing to do with the actual system itself. It just has to do with the geographic. And they think because of geographical area, it's not going to happen. So I can tell you right now, if we were to exclude all geographical potential errors that may result in us getting nothing, we're going to get... If we were to eliminate all that, we will get fucking hammered. We'll have the potential to get hammered, just like everywhere else. But because of geographic and all that, we're dinked out of it. Because there's literally nothing changed. It's just due to your geography. That's it. It's total BS. We still have a chance tonight either way. I don't care what they say. We're still in a special weather statement in my mind anyways. They're playing a very dumbass card. Just watch. I may be wrong, but just watch. It might very well just happen. And of course, an ad will show after leaving open for half an hour. Alright, so this is what we got from the weather network here. Yeah, just a couple centimeters of snow. I mean, just close to a centimeter of snow tomorrow and Wednesday. And then 1 to 3 on Thursday. December 16th. Close to 5 on December 17th. Close to 5 on December 18th. That's looking pretty good. And then we get a little break there, December 19th through to the 20th. Hold it there for a little while longer. Scroll down. Stays pretty cold. It really cools off as well. I guess it really gets cold. And then we got close to 5 centimeters of snow on Christmas Eve, 2 to 4 on Christmas Day, 1 to 3 on December 26th, and close to 5 on December 27th. We head into a very Arctic air snowy pattern as soon as we kick around near Christmas. Right around Christmas. Yeah. And the great thing about the weather network is it still says special weather statement even though it's just for the North Okanagan. That's a plus. Anyways, though, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today with the potential for some intense snow bands, despite what Environment Canada has decided to do. Intense bands of snow are really working out for Environment Canada. It's snowing more here than what there is in the majority of the fucking special weather statement right now for intense snow. I know it's only the evening, we're only about maybe a couple hours in, a few hours. But you would expect a little more than this right now. But this is probably about as heavy as it gets, but maybe a little heavier to the east. It's been snowing here the whole entire time at work. It started off as kind of like a very wet snow / rain mixture changing to snow, but it's clearly been snow all the whole time here. As you can see, the flake size has been actually significant here. Feels like it anyways. Looks like it. Yo, motherfucker. Kill myself. Just wonder if it's accumulating where it needs to be. So now I can't actually really use the car because obviously it's been sticking there long enough. It's lightly on there for sure, 100%. Again, for sure, but very lightly. Some areas have a lot more than others. That's where we use the ground as an extra average. Like the front yard or something. Like the front driveway or something. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside, get all my shit done, and then I'll deal with the snow and all that later. But yeah. Alrighty. Light snow. I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. It didn't seem like it would. There's like an inch of fucking slush. It's like you see the white, but then there's like another layer of like slush on the ground. It's like the wettest snow in history. Shit. But yeah, so we got that area. We come over here. It's still not sticking over here. Look at that. It's still just slush over here. It says it's -2. It does not feel like -2. God, I can tell you that much. It is not -2. Is it sticking on the car? Nah. Not really. I can still use it, but it won't be really that. Jeez, the ice is turning to slush. And then as you just realized, thanks to the snow melting, we have the edges here as well. They're all going to be within a decent bit of accuracy for sure, because it's, yeah. But yeah, and then we got the edge here. We won't get much snow overall. We'll have to double check tonight just to see what it's like in the morning. We'll check that later on tonight when it either A, stops snowing, or B, just before I go to bed. Because it'll still be snowing by then or something. And it may still be snowing by then. But yeah. And then also we can do the front here as well, kind of like the driveway here. If we still have snow there. It's not shoveled, I should say, sorry. Yeah, it's piss light snow. Like, it is fucking dead light. It's not flurries, but it's not steady snow by any means. It seemed like it earlier, but I might have been just seeing things. But yeah. Either way, it's pretty light. I'm not going to stick around too long. We'll hold here for 2 more minutes and then start heading in. Sketchy dude. 10-4. We got that thing in the car. That, and then the driveway as well as the ledge. Although if we have like 3 measurements and they're all within like, let's say, 1/4 of a centimeter of accuracy, I'm not gonna fucking bother doing the extra bit. But yeah, it's a very light snow. We'll pop back out later in probably an hour or 2. But yeah. So I mean, hell, it's not even sticking back here. Yeah, and it's -2. This thing right here says it's -2. Literally dead right in front of it. Look at this. Yeah, it's -2, alright. It's -2 about 500 meters up, maybe. Not even, probably. Probably like 750 meters up. Yeah, it's probably about -2. -1, -2. Definitely not down here, though. So everything is a slushy mess. Yeah, we're currently sitting at a trace one way or another. It's definitely not 1/2 centimeter in any spot yet. But we'll check on that when I do head back out later. Tiny flakes, so of course I get off work and then still decent snowfall rates, but they're the tiny flakes rather than the big flakes. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to check the radar and all that, just make sure I'm not going to miss any snow bands, because if I do, I'll be doing other things and I'll miss it again. But yeah, we'll head back. Oh, it's currently about 9 or 9 something, so we'll head back out in an hour. Let's say. Phew. Yeah. Right, we're back out here. Holy shit. It's slippery. We're just gonna see if it's we're just purely out here just to check to see if it's measurable or not. Nope. Not even close. It's still a trace. Jeez, it's just melting off that thing. You can hear it. Yeah. A trace at best. There's now a southerly breeze I can feel, which obviously is going to warm things up. Here's the forecast. 4 o'clock update here. Periods of snow beginning early this evening and ending before morning. A couple centimeters possible. Tuesday, 6% chance of flurries in the afternoon. And then a break Tuesday night through till Wednesday. Gets colder on Wednesday. And then just have to go through one more day of above freezing temperatures there for Tuesday. And then Wednesday night, 6% chance of flurries. That continues into Thursday. We hold it here for a bit. It no longer appears to snow and snow for Wednesday. For whatever reason, they've really just downtrended on it. Still seems like we'll get a decent bit of snow, but we'll see what happens. It might be just a timing change, but I don't think... No, it's not. Sorry, it's not. I don't know what's going on there. Anyways, though, 6% chance of flurries Thursday. Break Thursday night. 6% chance of flurries Friday. Change into period of snow Friday night. Continue into Saturday there. And then a 6% chance of flurries Saturday night through till Sunday. Yep. And there was cloudy conditions for Sunday, but that's no longer the case. It's looking very likely we'll get a white Christmas one way or another. But it's going to have to be all down to this stretch here, Wednesday through till Sunday here. It's going to be kind of like a last minute hope. We just got to pray temperatures stay below freezing, and then we get just a couple centimeters, 2.5 centimeters of snow on the ground. Right now, that's not really the case, consistently speaking. But either way, I'll see you guys. Well, later on. The radar can't be updated. It's 11:08. It won't be updated properly. So this is what it's looking like. The radar. In the last 3 hours, might be looking at some kind of band moving in here. I don't know. That's what it is. Whatever it is, doesn't seem very potent, but it definitely has a band look to it, that's for sure. We'll see how that evolves through the course in the next couple hours here. I'm not confident it's going to be. So it looks pretty slow moving, whatever it is. But, yeah. I'll see you guys later on tonight, probably. Radar. So it may be happening here. May be getting a band of snow here shortly. Be here in about 10-20 minutes time, give or take. About 20 minutes time. Not enough for me to take a shower, but enough for me just to get partially ready here. Then you can see to the west of it, bunch more convection developing. That is a sign of the low pressure developing actually right now. But yeah, getting set up for a nice little snowfall. Might get up to 2 centimeter rates, I'm saying. It'll be pretty good, hopefully. I'll see you guys then. Show it on here as well. It looks a lot better here than it does on the Environment Canada radar. Whether that really means much of anything, we'll see when it arrives, but it's definitely snow bandish. Well, it's not snow squall, but it's a snow band. Yeah, 2 separate things. I'll see you guys in a bit. So it's visibly melting, I can see it. in spots. It's gonna be heavy. There she is. Camera's not focusing. What's new? Bet I'll be able to get brushing my teeth in and a mouthwash before it arrives. It's possible. We're gonna go ahead and do that, actually. Just realize it's not as fast moving as I mean. It's downtown as we speak. Yeah. I'll keep all my shit on. But we're gonna quickly get something else done actually other than brush my teeth. Let's go. We'll keep all this shit on. Ooh. I just heard a big ass like flake just kind of like bounce off the side of my shoulder, but I think I was just hearing things. Man, you can really see the band, like banding even up front there. I better get going here. Yeah, that's how it looks before final impact. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. It's heavy as I thought, but should be something. Close the night off anyways. Hey, fucking snow. Where is it? That's sleet. No, that's sleet. What the fuck? Shit. I gotta close the door properly. A rat running around can't have that. First thing I want to check accumulation. Bingo. Where's that fucking bingo? We do have accumulation still. Very light. Sleet right now.